Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to the top blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to zoom your screen on the Swicth tool. Now of course there's a zoom feature built in, and of course you can actually zoom where you need to by following these directions. Alright, so go from your home screen on your Swicth tool, go to system settings, you're going to move down, select accessibility. Once you're in accessibility here, you'll see the option to zoom. All right, so this is off by default, so this is how it's going to look by default. So to turn it on, go ahead and turn it on by toggling it on. All right, now it says here, in order to use this feature, you're going to go ahead and things are going to look normal when it's on. However, if you double tap quickly like this, you'll see that you're in zoom mode. All right, so in zoom mode, as you can see here, things are very large, and of course you're right up to the action. All right, so you can lock in by pressing this once or double tap to cancel. So if I press this once, you'll notice I can go ahead and zoom accordingly. All right, and if I want, I can press again, I can adjust. All right, so adjustment would be, say, press X and Y. So as you can see, you can make it smaller and bigger. All right, so you get the idea. You can move back and forth, or you can press home once to lock. And once you lock, as you can see here, you can lock things in. All right, to exit the mode, simply double press the key here, so and it's back to normal. However, if you double press it, will go back to zoom mode. So that's a feature that you can definitely use. All right, if in case you're interested, and of course if you want to turn it off, which is zoom mode, you can go back here, accessibility, and turn off your zoom. All right, so see you in the next one guys. Bye.